What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here for you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another metal recovery seed backup unboxing and review for the brand new XSEED Plus from SecuX. Brand new form factor, very unique from anything I've seen in the past, so stay tuned. You do not want to miss this one. All right, welcome back. So in today's video, I wanted to do, of course, an unboxing and review of my first impressions of the new XSEED Plus, which is the SecuX hardware wallet company's version and second tier of a metal recovery seed backup. Now, what's interesting about SecuX is they have 3 different levels or tiers of metal recovery seed backups. This is the tier 2 out of 3. And we're gonna obviously unbox it, see what's included, see what some of the unique features are. We're also gonna look at the total price of this device. And then of course, I'm gonna compare it to what I think if it's similar to other metal recovery seed backups that I've seen. So we'll take a look at what we unbox here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it from here and see what we're dealing with here. Very high quality packaging as far as the material is concerned. And on the back here, it lets you know that it's compatible with the BIP32, BIP39, BIP44, 12, 24, and 12, 18, and 24 word recovery seed backup. As far as the packaging is concerned, they didn't cheap out or anything like that, but let's go ahead and open it and take a look. Now, before I actually unbox this, for those of you who are unfamiliar with what a metal recovery seed backup is or does, in short, whenever you generate a cryptocurrency wallet, whether it be software or hardware, it gives you a backup set of words of either 12, 18, or 24 words. This will allow you to restore your wallet with these words in the proper order to a new wallet in the event that your software wallet or hardware wallet is inaccessible or broken for any reason. And this is essentially the backup to your private key, which is very crucial. These devices obviously are metal, so it can withstand water, fire, corrosion, resistance, etc., whereas paper is very destructible. So just wanted to give a quick recap there. As we can see in the packaging, we're looking at, we'll take a look at a couple different things, but first here, if I open this up, looks like it's already very similar to the original XSEED as far as the stainless steel engraving and stamping process. In terms of using this device here, we have very sharp metal tip for you to engrave your aluminum in here. And then of course it comes with a wallet pouch here. So let me take a quick look and see what we're looking at. This is the steel punch letter set. So when I actually open this up, let's see if it's sealed or not. But, okay. So what these are, as you can see, is there's all these letters and numbers here that will allow you to essentially use a stamping with a hammer. So in this particular case, this is an I. So if I wanted to use one of these metal plates here, I could literally put I here, use a hammer and engrave it and stamp it directly into this plate, as opposed to using this tool, which may not go deep enough into the metal. So it does make it a little bit of a more secure experience. Now, what's interesting here is you can also use a drill bit. It shows a 3mm, and it shows you the letter on the side. But this is a stamping mechanism with every letter in the English alphabet, essentially for you to just put it in your words, hit it with a hammer, engrave it, or impress it in. Now, this is actually very similar in terms of the process of stamping and engraving into the metal via a hammer, similar to the crypto tag Thor, which I will link a video on at the end of this one. However, this is a very unique process because it's still using the same marine grade stainless steel as far as the actual plates here. So it's resistant to fire, water, corrosion, and so on. And it just gives you that extra ability. So just in case this tool right here doesn't quite go in the right way, it gives you instructions on how to write it with the aluminum seed and then stamp it with a hammer here, as you can see in the instructions. And this here is just a wallet pouch for you to hold these individual plates. So it gives you instructions. You can stamp the English letters with a hammer and put it directly into this aluminum plate. As far as this being similar to the crypto tag Thor, the crypto tag Thor, as of shooting this video, is $349 US. The price of this XSEED Plus is coming in very affordably at $59 US. And if you check the link down below, you can get a discount code of an extra 10% off. So make sure to click the link in the description, plus use my special coupon code so you can get it even cheaper. But as far as the overall first impressions and values, this is clearly a step up from the original XSEED that we saw in a previous video, because it allows you to engrave each letter directly on these plates up to 24 words. So you can even do 2 backups, because each plate here has 24 words front and back. So you could actually have 2 different wallet backups. Maybe if you have one software wallet and one hardware wallet, you could use this for both and actually engrave it. So it's an incredible value, depending on how many wallets that you need metal backups for. Again, these plates are really designed for corrosion, rust resistance, fire resistance, and making sure that if some tragedy happens, that you always have your recovery seed phrases in order, especially if your hardware wallet either breaks or doesn't turn on or whatever the case may be. But overall, for the value, I think it's a great deal. Like I said, in terms of the process, CryptoTag Thor is similar. In terms of price, I would say the Keystone Tablet Plus is very similar, but we're gonna see in a future video here the sort of tier 3, which is the XSEED Pro, which will allow us to see how it's implemented on a different form factor and on a different scale. So far, this is my sort of favorite one out of the XSEED series due to the stamping and the ability to do that. Again, I'll go ahead and test this out and do a demo in a follow-up video, but I wanted to give an overview of what this is. Very similar to the process of the original XSEED, but very excited to test it out and actually use a hammer and engrave it. This is compatible with any hardware wallet or software wallet that's BIP32 or BIP39 compatible. Again, if this is something that you're interested in, check the link down below in the description. And I will just say as the last thing is that whether you choose this product or any other provider or product, you do need a metal recovery seed backup, whether it be software or hardware wallets, in case you lose your device or lose access to the wallet, including your password. This is your safety net. This is what allows you to restore your cryptocurrency and your private keys to a new wallet so that you're not completely wiped out. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up here. Go ahead and click in the top right corner to see my original video on the XSEED original, and I will see you guys in that video right now. Crypto Renegade out.